Derek had a plan that he thought was absolutely brilliant, maybe even a little heroic. He had bought a ticket for the new blockbuster movie that everyone was raving about. But there was a problem. He could not bear the thought of leaving his cat, Mr. Whiskers, alone at home. Mr. Whiskers was no ordinary feline. He had a way of staring at Derek with eyes so wide and judgmental that Derek often felt like he was being silently scolded. Just this once, Derek muttered as he carefully lifted Mr. Whiskers and tried to fit him into a large, oversized hoodie. "You and me, buddy. Two movie lovers against the world." Mr. Whiskers was not exactly pleased. He squirmed and let out a muffled mraw as Derek zipped up the front pocket of the hoodie and made sure the cat's head was tucked in. From a distance, it looked as though Derek had gained some very suspicious chest muscles. Outside the theater, Derek rehearsed his story in case the ticket checker asked questions. Yes, I work out. These are my pecs. Yep, all natural." He even flexed in front of the glass door before realizing how ridiculous he looked. The ticket checker barely glanced at him. "Enjoy the movie," she said, ripping the stub. Derek almost sighed with relief, but Mr. Whiskers wriggled, and a faint mew slipped out. Derek coughed loudly, pretending to clear his throat, and hurried into the dim lobby. So far, so good. The theater was packed. Derek chose a seat in the middle, thinking it would make him blend in. He sat down carefully, arms crossed over his bulging hoodie, whispering, "No funny business, Whiskers." For the first 20 minutes, everything went perfectly. The trailers played, popcorn crunched, sodas fizzed, and Mr. Whiskers seemed surprisingly calm, occasionally shifting, but otherwise quiet. Derek relaxed into his seat, proud of his success. Then came the movie's first dramatic pause. The theater went silent, the screen darkened, and the orchestra music faded. It was one of those moments when the entire audience leaned forward, waiting for the big reveal. And in that silence came a loud, unmistakable mew. Every head in the theater turned at once. Derek froze, his eyes wide. Mr. Whiskers poked his head out of the hoodie, blinking at the sudden light from the giant screen. Someone whispered, "Was that?" "A cat," another voice muttered. "Who brings a cat to the movies?" Derek panicked, coughed again, trying to cover it. "Crazy sound effects, huh?" "Super realistic." He forced a laugh, but no one bought it. Mr. Whiskers, apparently enjoying the attention, let out another long MRA, AOW, and stretched, his paw sticking out of the zipper like he was waving to the audience. A kid in the row behind squealed, "Kitty." Derek tried to shove Mr. Whiskers back into the hoodie, but the cat had other plans. With a sudden burst of energy, he wriggled free, leaping onto the seat next to Derek. Popcorn flew. A woman shrieked. Mr. Whiskers darted down the aisle like a furry shadow, his tail flicking dramatically.
Ow.
The screen blazed with an explosion, but no one was watching. All eyes followed the rogue cat as he zigzagged through the rows, knocking over candy boxes and brushing against people's legs. "Somebody catch it?" yelled a man holding a tub of soda. "No, don't scare it," cried someone else. The ushers arrived, their flashlights bouncing around the theater like spotlights. Derek sank into his seat, trying to pretend he had nothing to do with the chaos, but it was useless.
Oh.
One usher shined a beam directly at him. "Sir, is this your cat?" Before Derek could answer, Mr. Whiskers returned, leaping right back into his lap with the elegance of a trained acrobat. He curled up, purred loudly, and blinked at the usher as if to say, "Yes, this is my human." The entire theater erupted with laughter. Some people clapped, others groaned, and one guy shouted, "Best part of the movie so far?" Derek's face turned red. I did not bring a cat." "This cat brought me." The usher raised an eyebrow. "Sir, please step outside." As Derek stood up, clutching Mr. Whiskers, the audience booed half-heartedly, but also laughed. A few even filmed the scene on their phones. Derek trudged toward the exit, muttering, "I just wanted to see the movie." Outside, the theater manager crossed her arms. "We have a strict no-pets policy." Derek sighed. "I know, but he looked so sad at home." "He loves movies, I swear." Mr. Whiskers purred loudly as if proving the point. The manager shook her head, but cracked a smile. "You're banned for a week, and so is the cat." As Derek walked home with Mr. Whiskers nestled comfortably in his arms, he said, "Well, buddy, at least we got free entertainment." Mr. Whiskers yawned. And somewhere in the city, the video titled "Guy Sneaks Cat into Movie Theater" was already climbing the trending charts.